Because I told them, go, yeah, bring it back now before you go to the house. Because they have to go park the car there and come with the boat. I don't know how they will do it.
Oh, one of the houses right here.
No, the house is just right here.
Oh, let's go. I'm gonna take a hot shower because I am cold. That's not what I intend to do. What's your plan? What's your
Candles. I like it. That's what makes people rich. When you're not in your comfort zone,
Badum. Farouk.
that's
Ooh. We can even hear him from here.
Fantas Group.
big boy. Where is he?
Baby, let's go on a Fantas Group.
Let's go.
Crazy boy. He's the one. He's better school.
I'm not feeling pull up boring.
Towel. Towel. You should just do it for him. Please, get a towel for me. Get a towel for me. He's still here. Panda, get a towel. Okay.
No, me, I want to go.
I'm also going. Nzonbon, ngiyagodola. I wanna go take a shower. I'm very cold. Phela ngizogula if I stay any longer.
Take your stuff, man.